Hey guys, this is our project today, a Honda GVC 180. We'll be rebuilding the carburetor today as far as putting all the pieces together after cleaning and blowing out all of the jets and other parts that had built up over time of storage. Hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, I got this 180 that we was working on. I just cleaned the carburetor, put it back together. Um, we adjusted the valve timing, um, the whole nine. Got a little test stand going today. Something I put together. An old chair, stool. Got a little cylinder block down there to hold it. Strapped it down pretty good. We're gonna see if it works. I hope so. Stay tuned.
Damn!
Almost took me out.
Good time on the strap broke. That was crazy. It could have got ugly. Check it out, my guys. Strap burnt. It didn't break. Got a little oil coming from the governor. I don't know why it's leaking. I could have damaged it. I did drop it on there. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. But check it, it burnt up. Right across there. Thanks guys for tuning in on this GVC Honda we put together today. We had a little fireworks. I hope you guys enjoy. We didn't get hurt, and please be safe out there. See you next time.